Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today is part 2 of our PR unboxing from Born Pretty. I'm starting off by doing some short nails. I have already prepped and base coated my nails, just to let you guys know that I am now an affiliate for Born Pretty. So I'll leave the link in the description box below alongside my discount code IsmsByJBM. So go ahead and consider using this code. It'll help me support my family and help me make more videos out to you. But we're going to start using this rubber-based gel. So I didn't originally know what this stuff was, but this is probably the most ingenious product I think I've ever came across. So rubber-based gel is meant to be on your natural nails, and it is like builder in a bottle, but it has some flexibility. So it's not going to be as stiff hard as putting acrylic, polygel, builder gel on this. It's going to feel super natural in your nails, but it's going to give you this insane, smooth, shiny finish that you wouldn't be able to get just with a regular top coat lacquer. So I'm just going to show you how I apply this rubber base coat gel. Let me tell you that the viscosity on this is just super creamy and thick, and I'm really loving this because if I leave my nails alone for too long, they chip like crazy. And let me tell you, my left hand, I just used lacquer on, and I have been with this Santa design. If you can barely see like my left hand right now, if you look closely, it's a mess because I do a rough and tumble with my fingers, so my nails are all chipped, and I have the skin to prove it because at night I scratch myself. And I looked in the mirror the other day and I noticed scratches like on my chest. I guess I was scratching my neck or something in the middle of my sleep, and it looks like Dexter, my cat, had scratched me like over and over again. So I'm like, oh no. So I'm gonna actually have to trim my nails on my left hand, but that's besides the point. Look how nice and smooth this stuff just glides on. And let me tell you too that this rubber-based gel is $6.99 on Born Pretty. At least that's what they have it on right now. So with my discount code too, you'll get an extra 10% off. But this is by far the most affordable piece of product that I'm putting on my nails. And just look at this finish, you guys. This is just the rubber-based gel. You're supposed to do a top coat over this, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do a base gel because I'm gonna use my right hand this year for 2023 to be my short nail side. So I do my short and sweet every other week. I'm just gonna use lacquer on it. So I'm doing a short and sweet every other week video this weekend, and then every other weekend after that we'll be able to see what will happen to this rubber-based gel. But so far so good, you guys. I mean, I definitely would recommend trying this stuff out. I'm purely amazed by how my nails have been transformed, and I selected a clear rubber-based gel so that I can see exactly, you know, what it does. And since I've put this stuff on, I've been kind of feeling the surface of my nails like all day. So this is pretty much the finished product after putting this on the rubber-based gel. I'm gonna rub it right here to see how sticky the aftercare is. And you know what? There really isn't that much inhibition layer, which is a good thing, I think, because sometimes it leaves a thick layer of it. But I'm gonna go ahead anyway, and I'm gonna take some lint-free wipes and some nail cleanser, and I'm just gonna clean up each nail. And like I said, I'm gonna put a base coat on top of it later. I just don't want to show any other product than Born Pretty, since this is a Born Pretty video. But yeah, guys, go ahead and check out their link. I'm going to leave it in the description box below, along with my discount code IsmsByJBM. Please consider using it. It'll definitely help me support my family. and help me make more videos go out to you. So this is Born Pretty RGB08 rubber base gel. This is in the clear. They have a handful of other colors for you to choose from, and again, this is $6.99. It's a definite steal, you guys. So I'm gonna wrap this up, you guys. I'm gonna show you the final result. This is only part 2 of my PR unboxing. I'm gonna be doing the other gel polishes that I've unboxed in the part 1 video, so I'm really excited for you guys to check that out. So be sure to click on that notification bell so you don't miss a video and see the rest of this product review for Born Pretty. After nail cleansing this, it all feels nice and smooth. I am loving the end result of this. This is very nice stuff. I really like it. And here is the end result of Born Pretty Rubber Base Gel. Again, RBG08 is the clear rubber base gel. They have other colors if you'd like to take a look and check them out. Again, this is $6.99, very affordable. I am loving this look. It's natural, it's flexible. The shine is impeccable. I don't even have a top coat on this. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again for part 3 of my PR unboxing with Born Pretty. Thanks. Bye.